The T-Rex just got a little brother. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new rugged smartwatch in the house. A lot of people really love these sort of military style rugged looking smartwatches, right? Well, I'm a big fan of them. I really like that macho sort of look and feel they give. So today we have a brand new model from Amazfit. They've just launched it today in the Indian market called as Active Edge, and this, as I've told you, is like a little brother to their already existing T-Rex and T-Rex 2. Offers similar sort of features with a military grade toughness. Also has like 5 satellite global positioning system with route navigation as well, 10 atmospheres water resistant, a brand new semi transparent sort of design, all of this for a lower price than the T-Rex guys. So I'm pretty excited to unbox and talk about this product in this video. And apart from that, if this video crosses 6,000 likes, I will literally give this premium smartwatch to a lucky subscriber on the channel. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video, subscribe and click the notifications bell icon on. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Active Edge smartwatch from Amazfit came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, this is a military grade tough rugged smartwatch guys. It's basically like drop resistant, shock resistant, can withstand extreme temperatures also, hot and cold, and also a bit of pressure as well. You can check out all the details on their website. At the backside here you can check out some of its main specs and highlights mentioned, and not to forget, this smartwatch is available in 3 different color variants. Today we have the Midnight Pulse edition and features like a brand new semi-transparent design. You'll get to see that in a moment. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just remove this outer cover, and there you go. As soon as you open it, our brand new rugged smartwatch from Amazfit, T-Rex little brother, the Active Edge, that too in the Midnight Pulse edition. Beautiful looking color, right? Look at this two-tone color scheme. We'll just come back to this in a moment. Along with that, you also have some accessories which include a user manual, and a magnetic charging dock is also included. So that is pretty much it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me finally give you a closer look at the watch and talk about the design and build quality. As I've told you guys, Active Edge is a military grade tough and rugged smartwatch and has a beautiful look and feel guys. I really love these sort of macho looking smartwatches. Initial impressions, I do have to say, watch is slightly a bit smaller than their T-Rex. On board you are getting a 1.32 inch TFT LCD display with a 360 by 360 HD resolution, and also has anti-fingerprint coating. You're getting a total of 4 buttons over here, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and look at this brand new semi-transparent design guys. Looks kinda unique, right? Build quality is very good. Entire body is made of like hard polycarbonate material that definitely feels quite durable, and it's also 10 atmospheres water resistant. At the back side you've got your health tracking sensors, your BioTracker PPG, and you also have some charging contacts included. So that's it. Coming to the straps, quality of the straps is also nice, made of TPU silicone material, but unfortunately I don't think they're replaceable guys, so you have to choose a proper color while buying itself. Anyways, that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, I'm back to continue this video. I've been using this smartwatch for the last couple of days. In fact, the unboxing part that you've seen was shot many days ago guys, 7-8 days before. Anyways, today I'm continuing it. I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are so many points I'll be talking about. So starting off, let's talk about the display quality. As I've told you, Amazfit's Active Edge features a 1.32 inch TFT LCD display. See, for this price point, I was really hoping Amazfit would offer like AMOLED display, considering the T-Rex and T-Rex 2 also had like AMOLED only. But no, for some reason Amazfit compromised and we are getting a TFT display over here. But okay, initially I was a bit skeptical how the display quality would be, but after using it for the couple of days, it's actually a good quality display only guys, not to worry about. You're getting like decent amount of resolution, 360 by 360 HD resolution only, and everything looks crisp and clear. Good amount of detail I would say, either it be on your home screen, watch face, or even if you read any sort of text message as well. If you talk about the contrast levels were nice, colors were also good and accurate only I would say, though you're not getting that vibrant punch as you would see on an AMOLED display. Apart from that, viewing angles are also fine, and brightness of the display is actually pretty good guys. I had no issues using this display even in like bright outdoor situations during workout sessions. On the overall, it's a good quality display for this price point. And since you're not getting AMOLED display over here, you do not have always on display support as well. But apart from that, you do have raise to wake function and it was working fine, not an issue at all. Anyways, here's how the home screen on the watch looks like. As I've told you guys, this particular model as usual is powered by their Zepp OS 2.0, and you're getting plenty of apps and software features which will anyhow cover in this video. So this is how the home screen looks like. Plenty of watch faces are there. In fact, these are like customizable and editable watch faces. You can apply different sort of themes, change the color schemes and a lot of stuff. By By default, you're getting around like 5 to 6 watch faces, but not to worry, you can download even more cloud-based watch faces using Zepp app on your phone. Swiping down on the home screen gives you access to your quick access toggles. Here you can access a lot of shortcuts, general settings, and also shows you information like today's date, battery percentage of the watch, and stuff like that. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to your widget section, gives you a quick glance at a lot of information like the current weather, fitness activity for the day. Swiping right on the home screen gives you access to your notifications area. Here you can check out all your recent messages or maybe like missed call notifications and stuff like that. And swiping left on the home screen gives you complete access to all the apps and features available on this model. And one more thing I do have to mention, touchscreen response is actually pretty good over here, guys. I was not expecting that. In fact, you're getting a true 60 Hz refresh rate and everything feels super smooth, guys. Opening and closing of apps, navigation, transition, everything feels quite smooth for the price point. And yes, you're also getting like dedicated up and down navigation buttons on the smartwatch. So in case if you're using the smartwatch maybe like underwater, right, where touchscreen doesn't work, you can use the left up and right buttons to easily navigate and control your smartwatch. So let me quickly show you all the available apps and features. Starting off, you're getting workout section. This particular smartwatch supports up to like 130 plus activities, guys, outdoor activities, variety of sport trackings as well, and also has like auto sport detection for a couple of activities. And all you need to do is simply click on that particular activity and wait for a couple of seconds and GPS signal will lock on. And let me tell you guys, this watch has like 5 satellite global positioning system, and I've been using this feature for the last couple of days for outdoor activity tracking, and it was working very well, guys. GPS signal was locking on within like 7 to 8 seconds as soon as you go outdoors, and automatically measures and records a lot of information like how many steps you've taken, distance travel. In case if you're doing maybe like walking or running outdoors, right, it also measures your speed, cadence, pace, and a lot of information. Plus route, turn by turn navigation information is also recorded on the smartwatch. You can check out a brief detail on the smartwatch workout activity session, and if you want like more detailed analysis, right, you can check it out on your smartphone's compatible app, Zepp app. There you go. Here's how the complete information looks like for my recent workout activity session. So moving on, guys, watch also has like detailed health related functions, and it can measure 24/7 HR measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is also there, stress level measurement, and also supports something known as one tap measurement, guys. Using this, it will automatically measure all your health related features in one go. Very useful, I would say. And this one is your activity session for the day. For example, if you want to track how many steps you've been walking, or maybe like calories burned, distance tracking for that particular day, here you can check it out. Apart from that, it does support like a detailed sleep monitoring and tracking. 24/7 weather analysis is also there, and also remote music control, alarms, calendar. All these basic features are anyhow included. One more interesting feature I have to mention, the smartwatch also supports like a marketplace on the Zepp compatible app, from where you can download a lot of interesting apps, guys, maybe like calculator, a couple of games, or maybe like navigation related applications, whichever you feel are useful. So you can download all of that easily on the smartwatch. And in the more section, it shows you some more options like sun and moon tracking, female health tracking is also there, breathing exercises, and all your regular smartwatch functions like stopwatch, timer, find your phone feature, Pomodoro tracker. All of these are available. Keeping all that aside, one feature I was really missing on this model is Amazfit's Active Edge doesn't support Bluetooth calling, guys. Like, come on, even like budget sort of 1500, 2000 rupees smartwatches also have Bluetooth calling in 2024. Why, Amazfit? Why did you miss out that? If only this smartwatch had Bluetooth calling, na, it would have been like an all-rounder smartwatch for this price point with military grade looks and feel. Anyways, moving on, let me talk about the health related features. As I've told you, it's got like the complete health suit package available, guys. 24/7 HR measurement is there, blood oxygen SpO2, stress level monitoring and measuring, sleep data analysis, and not to miss out, female health tracking as well. All these features were working well during my usage and gave accurate sort of readings 90-95% of the time during the last couple of days. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, right? So let me talk about the battery life. As I've told you guys, this is a rugged smartwatch, and obviously it is designed to offer you like much long lasting battery. On board, you're getting a 370 mAh battery, and on a typical moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 50% brightness, and you're yearly using like outdoor fitness activity and light GPS related activities, right, you can easily expect around like 2 weeks of battery life per charge. But nay, if you're like a heavy user, you use that GPS a lot, maybe you're like a fitness freak, you go out for outdoor activities, right, you can expect around like 7 to 8 days of battery life. And if you're using a GPS continuously, right, you can expect like 1 day of battery life over here. 24 hours non-stop GPS usage, 1 day of battery life. And not to forget, it also has like a battery saver feature, which when enabled, right, it can last for up to like 24 to 25 days also per charge. And And charging time is also not that high. It's hardly around like 2.5-3 hours for full charge. Well, that's it boys, our video on Amazfit's all new Active Edge smartwatch. If you're a guy who's into fitness and does a lot of outdoor activity tracking, right, and you're looking for a watch that has like GPS and tough body, military grade resistance and all of that, this might be like a really good watch for you. Only thing, as I've told you it was missing, is you're not getting AMOLED display and Bluetooth calling feature is not there. But apart from that, everything else is nice. It costs around 12,999 rupees. I'll leave links for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And that's it. I'll see you all in my next one.